Hi everyone, this is Haley Moe with La Crosse Promise Future Centers, and today I'm going to talk about personal statements and application essays. So let's talk about the importance of your essay. This is really your opportunity to tell admission offices anything that you weren't able to tell them within your application itself. This is really your chance to let them know about any shortcomings and how you were able to succeed through those shortcomings. So perhaps you had a low GPA, maybe you weren't able to score as high on a test, or you experienced something that challenged you in your high school career that really impacted your ability to be successful. These are all things that we'll address and talk about within your essay. This is your opportunity to demonstrate some of the different writing skills that you have at this point and to practice for the future writing skills that you will need while in college. Now, I know that the essay is probably the one thing that students stress about the most, and I'm here to tell you that you don't need to stress about this. There are people here to help you, that we are excited and ready and willing to help you. And I think that you will find that once you get going on your essay, it's actually a lot easier than you think it is. So before you start your essay, you'll want to make sure that you are able to organize yourself. And there are multiple ways to do this. If you have a system in place right now that is working for you, use that system. If you don't, I might recommend that you would use one Google Doc for all of your application essays. You can name the doc College Essays, and then you will put all of the prompts that you need to respond to in that document. That way, when you are searching through your Google Drive for your college essays, you're only looking for one document and not multiple. So where do you begin with all of this? You'll want to sit down and have a brainstorming session. You'll think about some of the different life experiences that you have had. Maybe you have volunteered and you experienced a really eye-opening moment during that volunteer event. You will want to think about an experience in your life that you were able to develop some personal growth. And if you're really stumped on this, reach out to your Future Center advisor. We're happy to get going with you on this brainstorming and finding a topic that works best for you. So once you have settled on a topic to discuss and share in your essay, I call this the brain dump. The goal really of this session is for you to sit down and write out the details of the story. Get the entire story out and don't worry about formatting, don't worry about grammar or spelling, word counts. Really, the goal is for you to sit down and type out everything as much as you can of the story, including all of those details. It's a lot easier to come back into your essay at a later date to cut out details that you might not have needed, to cut out different words that you may not have needed, and to rephrase words so that they are stronger in your essay. As soon as you are able to finish your sloppy copy, you will come back in and read and edit and revise your essay. Before you do that, you'll want to review the prompt to make sure you are addressing the things that the colleges are asking for. I'd recommend that you yourself and a few others read your essay, and you'll want to do this out loud because you might have been thinking that you were trying to type the word definitely and it came out defiantly. So read it out loud to yourself to make sure that it is fluid and that the story really transitions nicely. The goal overall is to try to create a story that establishes some of the skills and lessons that you might have learned within this experience and how you can translate those skills and lessons into your college career and your future life. When you're done revising and editing your essay, you will again want to review the prompts to make sure that you addressed everything that they were asking for. You'll have your final proof, and when you have that final proof, you will be able to copy it and insert it into your application. Don't worry if the formatting changes from the Google Doc into the application. We know that when we read it last, it was correct, it was grammatically correct, and all of the spelling was correct. If you're really stuck, please reach out, utilize your resources. You have great people around you that want to help you, and make sure that you don't stress about this. We'll get through it together, don't worry. Again, if you're struggling, please reach out to myself or Matt Gordy. We are the Future Center advisors, and this is part of the role that we play in the Future Center. So make sure that you're reaching out to us. We're happy to help. Lastly, please make sure that you are connecting with us. We have a Future Center website, a Facebook page, as well as a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.